Here's an example of how you can use AI to decode the Signal 1 CX-7A manual. So the manual does present how these connect together, but it's very hard to decode from this without lots of manual labor what goes to what. So I'm trying to debug the counter here. So you can basically upload this to AI, the whole PDF manual. In this case, I've uploaded all of this to Google Gemini. So I want to figure out where these wires go. I would have to trace them down number by number. So I prompted AI here and I said, can you please make a table describing the function of the wire entering the counterboard assembly? Column 1, function of the wire. Column 2, the wire number of the wire, if any, and color of the wire. Column 3, the name of the board or assembly the wire is coming from. Thank you. So AI came back and did give me a nice table here. So really, it would be interesting to rewrite the manual and ask AI to produce these to and from diagrams and tables. So now I have an idea of what goes to what. So it looks like this is missing for me. I think this oscillator is out and done. So now it's a matter of checking all these things. I think either this wire is dead or this one's also dead. So yeah, there's not that much onto that board really. So, yep, this is how to use AI to debug your CX-7A restoration. Again, this is Google Gemini AI. Good luck.